I always tell you guys about recycling, reusing, repurposing things. So let me show you how to make this easy craft for absolutely free. Here's an empty jar and you just take off the label. If you still have some label on it, you can use something to remove the glue or soak it in hot water with soap. When you have these ribbon rolls, take the cardboard, take off the ends, but take the cardboard and hot glue it to the jar. So you're going to take this off and hot glue the cardboard to the jar. Then you're going to use a hot glue gun to draw something on the jar, whatever you want. Then you'll use paint. This came from the Dollar Tree, but it's water soluble, so the paint can come off. You would have to seal it. But you could use a paint that doesn't need to be sealed. Take the paint, put it in a jar lid, just paint the paint on, and use a marker to outline the line. So here it is. It's been painted, and the marker has been used to go over the lines. Thank you for watching.